Here's the news of the day.
Reiser Simulation and Training has secured a contract with the German Navy to provide an NH90 maintenance training rig, replicating the NH90 Sea Tiger helicopter and simulating over 1,000 maintenance scenarios.
Mid-Continent Instruments and Avionics and True Blue Power promoted 4 executives, including Matthew Harrer as president, to support global growth and meet increasing customer demand in aerospace.
Bristow Group's winch paramedic Carlton Reel and winch operator Jason Bibby received the 2024 Billy Deacon SAR Memorial Trophy for their bravery and teamwork during a 2023 rescue off the UK coast.
Vertical Aerospace has secured $50 million in funding from Mudrick Capital and Stephen Fitzpatrick to support the VX4 eVTOL development and strengthen its balance sheet.
Electron has launched the 10,000 Faces of Change campaign to engage supporters in its sustainable aviation project, offering individuals the chance to have their faces displayed on the Electron 5 aircraft, a zero-emission, fixed-wing plane set for 2028.
International Airlines Group has signed a 10-year agreement with Infinium for ESAF supply from late 2026 to support its 5 airlines, while Infinium's Project Roadrunner aims to become the largest global ESAF producer.
Clay Lacy Aviation is developing the world's first ISI Envision Gold-certified FBO at John Wayne Airport, featuring sustainable design, creating 180 jobs, and supporting the Orange County Sheriff's Department Air Support Unit.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.